Hello community and welcome. I'm here together with my brother Sebastian and a famous guest. Hello Ben Marks.
Hello Shopware community.
Hey Ben! Ben, it's quite unusual to see you in a Shopware surrounding. I mean, most of the people out there still know you as a member of the Magento community.
Yeah, until quite recently, I was head of evangelism at Magento, but as you may have already guessed from my presence here, that's changed.
Ben, welcome also from the board and the entire Shopware team, and we are already looking forward to work together with you in your new position as Director Global Market Development.
Thank you very much for the welcome. I'm quite honored to be here.
Yeah, and in fact, we've known each other for a couple of years, or?
Yeah, that's right. Actually, just in doing my work over the past few years, kind of keeping in touch with what's going on in the world of e-commerce, I took a moment to visit with Shopware at the Shopware Community Day in 2016, where I actually happened to sit right next to you and met you, Sebastian, for the first time.
Yeah, I can exactly remember. It was so funny.
Ben, what was your motivation to join us?
I think I accomplished a lot in my time as part of the Magento team, but I wanted to grow a bit more in my career, and along comes Shopware, which has the ideals that I value: openness, transparency, and collaboration. And I'm really excited to take my familiarity with Shopware and some of its ecosystem members and help spread that around the world. I think the world deserves to meet Shopware and see everything that it has to offer.
I think that's very important what you said. So the fact you mentioned the open commerce approach, I think that tells us that you fit very well to the Shopware universe. And open is one of our core values. So we're super happy to have you on board, Ben. I guess everyone is excited to meet you. Is there a chance for our community to get in touch with you?
Yes, there is. In fact, at the upcoming virtual Shopware Partner Day, which is on March 23rd, I'll be taking part along with just participating and meeting everyone there in the sessions. And in the meantime, if you have any questions or just want to reach out about anything, you can find me on my social channels, Twitter or LinkedIn. And also my contact information will be part of this blog post.
Thank you very much, Ben. I'm already looking forward to our journey together and, let's say, to lead the chants out there and making Shopware more well-known outside Germany.
Yeah, me too. I'm really excited, and I'm really itching to get started. So let's get it going.
Yeah, let's lead the change together.